Hey, let's talk about the reverse side of the note knack so we can get some more rhythms going. So I've got my ledge for 4/4 time, okay? And remember, the gray is a whole note. Gray, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, again real quick, it takes up the entire ledge. On the flip side, you have a whole rest, hole in the ground, whole rest. It'd be rest, 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 rest. 1, or rest, 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 rest. Same number of counts, takes up the whole ledge. So that's one thing. Second thing, remember blue, blue, blue is half notes. Remember that. On the flip side, it's the rest. We have a 2-count rest called a half rest, also known as the hat rest, because see, look, it looks like a little bitty hat. So we can do combinations when we play with the note knacks. You could do 2 rests in a row like this. Rest, rest, blue, blue, or you can flip one of them if you want. When you're here, you could have one note that's 2 counts, blue, rest, rest. Or you could do it the other way around. Rest, rest, blue. And there's your measure of the half notes. Let's go on to the red. Red, 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 red. That's also a quarter note, 1-count word. Red, 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 red. On the flip side, this is what a quarter note rest looks like. Like that. So rest or red. Of course, those could be done in combination. We could go every other one. I'm trying to look as I'm doing upside down. Here we go. That takes up ledge to ledge. I've got red, rest, red, rest. Or you could do rest, rest, red, red. Or the other way around. Yeah. Red, red, rest, rest. So there's another way to look at it. All right, the next rhythm down, remember we had the yellow. Remember 2 of these. 2 of these equal 1 of these. This is either a quarter note, 1 count. See, it's the same length. Pretty cool, huh? So 1 note of this equals, that's equal to 1 count. Yellow, yellow, 1 and. These are 8th notes. They have the little flag coming off of the stem. So these are 8th notes. One of them is half a count. 2 together, that equals 1 count, 1 and. If we were to put a whole ledge of the, and here is the 8th note rest. Okay, so if we put all of the yellow together, just to show you with the notes, ledge to ledge. That may be fun with building blocks. So if I put them all together, okay, I got to get 2 more. Okay. I have them from end to end. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. In the band world, my other world that used to be, 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay is how you would count this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The rest are the same length, so we could mix it up however we want to do. But let's get this concept down. All right, I have one more set of blocks, and they're very tiny. These little blocks. So remember how the red one lined up? See, look, with the orange, it's going to be that same kind of thing, like that. So 2 of these equal 1 of these, 8th note. So these are, if this is half a beat, this is a quarter of a beat, right? These are called 16th notes. There's 2 little flags coming off of the stem. Just like with the rest, see, there's 2 coming off of this stem. The way we use these with the rhythm blocks, the syllable, the word we're going to say is terracotta. Terracotta, because it's kind of what the color it is. So 4 of these together is the same length as a quarter note. So as we go through, see, look, 4 equals 1. So if I had this, for example, I'm just going to flip it up. I'd have terracotta red, terracotta red, 1 e and a 2, 1 ta 2, however you want to count those. And I could do a whole measure of these. If we do, we have 4 sets of 4, terracotta, 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 and it goes clear across on the little ledge thing. I have this is equivalent to one measure of 4 4 time. Yes, there are 16 of these 16th notes. We could line them up. Later on, when you get good at that, we can do combinations of the rest too to line it up so you can see it visually. All right, have fun with your rhythms. Happy practicing.